In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see changes made in data queries in Power BI Desktop. When you're working with data in Power BI, it's helpful to understand exactly what transformations have been applied and in what order. That's what we'll walk through now, using the built-in tools that come with Power BI Desktop. Start from your report view, then head to the Home tab on the ribbon and choose Transform Data. This opens the Power Query Editor, which is the workspace where all your data shaping and cleaning happens before it reaches your report visuals. Once the Power Query Editor is open, look to the left for your list of queries and select the sheet or table you want to review. This is the specific dataset where you want to see the changes that have been applied. Each query can have its own series of transformations, so make sure you're clicked on the right one. Now shift your attention to the right-hand pane. You'll see a section labeled Applied Steps. Think of this as a chronological log of everything Power BI has done to your data within the query. Things like changing data types, filtering rows, renaming columns, or merging tables. The order of these steps matters. Power BI processes them from top to bottom, so earlier steps feed into later ones. Click on any step in that list to preview what the data looked like at that point in the process. As you move up and down the steps, the preview in the main grid will update to reflect the dataset's state at that exact step. This is a great way to validate that a filter kept the rows you wanted or that a type change didn't cause unexpected errors. If the preview looks different than expected, step through the list to pinpoint where things changed. You can also remove a step if you no longer need it. This is useful when cleaning up unnecessary actions or correcting a mistake. Just remember that later steps might depend on earlier ones. If you delete a step that others rely on, Power BI will let you know by showing an error, because it can't apply a transformation that references something that no longer exists. If that happens, consider whether a different step should be removed, or whether the order of transformations needs attention. And that's it. By opening the Power Query Editor, selecting your data, reviewing the applied steps, clicking each step to see a preview, and removing unneeded steps when appropriate, you can confidently track and manage the changes made to your data queries in Power BI Desktop.